People of the State of Michigan versus Jeffrey Allen Elliott, file number 21-20212. And it's the only file you have this morning. All right. And I have Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Elliott, and I have Phoebe Meir appearing on behalf of the people. This is a pretrial conference as well as a contempt of court pretrial in this matter. So, Mr. Malaro, how do you wish to proceed today?
Your Honor, may I have a breakout with Mr. Elliott to see if we can get a resolution on the record?
All right. So, Mr. Elliott and Mr. Malaro, I'm going to add you to a breakout room. And go ahead and click on join. I'm going to take these files back. Sue, why don't you take a quick break? You too, Jeff.
All right.
So,
was Marcus Monroe moved yesterday?
yes.
What was the next date?
Mr. Fry asked if it could be moved to the January 5th at 8:30.
Okay, thank you.
All right, Mr. Malaro, have you had a chance to speak with Mr. Elliott?
I have, Your Honor.
All right, and how do you wish to proceed with Mr. Elliott?
Your Honor, we're going to ask to adjourn this out probably 2 weeks.
For another pretrial?
Yes, please.
All right, I don't have a pretrial. Let me see. I can do, I don't have a pretrial in 2 weeks. I can do January 4 in 1 week.
You think the 4th will work for you, Mr. Elliott?
That should be fine.
Okay, the 4th is fine, Joe.
Okay. Otherwise, I'd have to go to February, so. All right, so I'll set this for January 4 at 8:30 a.m. And we'll see back on that day. You'll do the stip in order to adjourn, Mr. Malaro?
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right. And Ms. Meir, can you sign your name with permission?
Yes.
Perfect. All right, you're all set, Mr. Elliott.
Thank you.
Mr. Dagger Margosian, are you only here on Miss Carr?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, well, we don't have Miss Carr. Do you have Miss Carr?
I don't have Miss Carr. No. I can try to reach out to her. Let me see if I can get an update for the court.
I have an update, but not directly from her.
Could you actually, I don't have any of the paperwork if there's an alleged violation or anything. Is it possible to send that to me in the meantime?
I don't, well, there was a motion and or order to show cause, which was set for today. This is in the matter of people of the State of Michigan versus Aaron Michelle Carr, file number 22-20951FH. So this was the date and time set for a show cause. And notice was sent to her to appear. She is no longer, let's see, she missed her drug screens on November 7th, November 22nd, and November 25th. Now she has missed even more. So we have 9 consecutive drug screens, and she's failed to appear today.
Can I just reach out to her just to see if I can figure anything out?
You can try calling her. I'll give you a minute.
Thanks, Judge.
Okay. Dennis Lowe, is that yours, Mr. Malaro? It is now. I was right. You're here for Matt.
Yes, Judge.
All right. In the matter of the people of the State of Michigan versus Dennis William Lowe II, file number 22-20692FH, 22-20836FH, and 22-20837FH of Salvatore Malaro, appearing on behalf of Mr. Lowe today Lau, right? It's Lau, right? And then I have Darren Coast from Pretrial Services. I do have a motion in order to show cause scheduled for today's date. And we have Phoebe Muir appearing on behalf of the people. The allegation is that the defendant tested positive for amphetamines on a screen collected December 20th at the drug testing facility. Mr. Malaro, you represent him as well on the underlying files. Did you receive a copy of the motion in order to show cause?
Judge, just these are Matt Murphy's files, so I'll have to look and see what he's got. You said there's a show cause?
Yes, Mr. Rasko, I'm gonna change your screen name and pop you in the waiting room and we'll be right back with you.
Yeah, Judge, I'm not seeing anything. I see amended bond conditions, but that's like from May of this.
Okay. Well, he received a show cause for today's date, so I'm gonna arraign him on that.
Okay, I don't see
And then Miss
anything in the
Adams or Mr. Coast, if you could email a copy of that, perhaps to Mr. Malaro.
I
So,
will,
Mr.
Judge.
So is it Lau or Low?
It's Lau.
Lau. All right, so Mr. Lau, did you receive a copy of the motion in order to show cause?
No.
Okay, all right, you probably wouldn't know. It's, if it got mailed, it may not have made it to him yet. So, Mr. Coast, I think it probably mailed, it didn't reach him yet.
Judge, it is possible. I mean, it was mailed out.
I have December 22nd or 23rd,
that's-
yeah, so.
Yeah, I believe that's about
All
right.
right. So what I'm gonna do, Mr. Malaro, is I'm gonna set this over 1 week. And then we'll set it to January 4. And then we'll email to you a copy, Mr. Malaro, of the show cause. And then it'll get there to you, Mr. Lau, by then.
Okay.
And we'll set the pretrial over to that day as well. So we'll see you back on January 4 at 8:30 in the morning. And Mr. Malaro, you'll do the stiffen order to adjourn. Ms. Muir, can he sign your name with permission?
Yes.
Yep, we'll get that done, Judge.
All right, so Mr. Lau, January 4 at 8:30, all right?
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, yep, we'll see you back on that day. Keep doing
Okay,
your
thanks.
testing.
Okay.
All right, I have a young man from the jail. What is your name, sir?
Milton, remember?
All right, and that is a Matt Murphy file. Is that yours today? Oh, Mr. Dagger-Margosian, did you contact Ms. Carr?
No, Your Honor, I have nothing else to add to the court for this case.
All right. Well, this is date time scheduled for a show cause. The notice did go out November 28th of 2022. So she should have received a copy. Mr. Coast, has she been testing it off? My note says no.
Are you talking about, who are you talking about, Judge?
Ms. Carr,
No, she's missed actually her last 10 now.
all right. So she failed to appear. I'm gonna issue a bench warrant. And I'm gonna set bond in the amount of $75,000 cash. And obviously, Mr. Dagger-Margosian, if you hear from her, let us know. We'll get her in, all right?
Will do, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thank you,
All
Judge.
right, is that all you had, Mr. Dagger-Margosian?
It is.
What were you gonna say, Mr. Coast?
No, thank you. I appreciate it.
Okay. All right.
Thanks, Judge. Have a good day.
Sure. You too. Mr. Renner. Change your screen name, Mr. Ellis. You're not Mr. Elliott. All right, this is in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Milton Trey Rembert, file number 22 21191H. I have Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Murphy, on behalf of Mr. Rembert. And I have Phoebe Meir appearing on behalf of the people. This is the date and time. Where are you? Set for,
Be an arraignment, top of page 3.
it's weird, okay, set for arraignment. Mr. Malaro, how do you wish to proceed on behalf of Mr. Rembert?
Judge, can we pass on this for a brief moment? I don't see the information and I'm being told we don't have it yet, so until I get it, I don't think I can arrange
Smear,
it.
can you email that to Mr. Malaro?
Yes.
I have it was filed on December 21.
Yeah, I was gonna
I
say all
really
of these.
can't pass
are
because
very-
he's the only thing I have, but I can go to Mr. Ratzko. Is he yours?
I have Mr. Roscoe as well, Judge.
What'd you say, Miss Meir?
Just all these I have as being filed and served on the 21st. Same as all of the.
Well, it's the holidays and we know that people are out and people are in, so it may not have just been put in his file yet, so. She'll email that to you. Let me bring in Mr. Roscoe. While you're waiting for that. All right, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Joel Jesus Orozco, file number 21-20645FH of Salvatore Malaro appearing on behalf of Mr. Orozco. This is a date and time set for a pretrial as well as contempt of court hearing. Mr. Malaro, how do you wish to proceed on behalf of Mr. Orozco?
Oh, where's Mr. Murphy by chance?
Say it again.
Is Mr. Murphy at the courthouse?
So Mr. Murphy is not here today, and Mr. Malaro is filling in for him today just for your pre-trial and your contempt of court.
All right, because I was supposed to talk to him today. He said that last week when I waived it, that if I waived it, that they were gonna have a plea bargain on the table that they already talked about and it was working
So
out.
Mr. Rasco, hold on a second. So we have a lot of people down with the flu. And so we're all kind of short staffed today and I apologize for that. But give Mr. Malaro a chance to speak and maybe he'll be able to give you that information.
Yes, ma'am. I apologize.
It's okay.
Okay, Judge, yeah, I'm looking at the one of Mr. Murphy's final notes. Apparently whatever plea is in the works has not been finalized. And so I guess we're gonna have to ask to adjourn it.
May I talk to the attorney in a breakout room, at least?
So Mr. Malaro doesn't have any other case specific information for you. Mr. Murphy would. Okay. And it looks like Mr. Murphy is working with the prosecutor to try to come to an agreement, but they haven't finalized it yet. So
I
I'm
know,
gonna
yeah.
set you,
I just was told if I did waive it, that there was a plea today. That I was promised that there was gonna be a plea today. Now, I understand what you're
Okay.
saying. I understand that you guys are just going off of your guys' notes and you guys don't know what's going on. I don't mean to be disrespectful, but I was told there was gonna promise be a plea today. If I
okay,
wait,
but there's nothing I can do about that, Mr. Ratzko, today. I can't do anything about that today. I don't have any authority over that.
no, I know, ma'am. I know that's.
So I apologize, but Mr. Murphy will meet with you. I'm just gonna set this over 1 week, okay?
Is
To
there a way?
January 4, wait.
All
I'm gonna
right,
set it over to January 4, just 1 week at 8:30 in the morning. And then Mr. Murphy will get a hold of you. And then hopefully it'll be settled by the time we come back next Wednesday, okay?
all right. Is there a way I can get a PR bond? I'm trying to go to rehab right now. I sent over paperwork.
No, not at this point. You'll
All
have,
right,
we'll be back next week, okay?
all right.
All right, thank you, Mr. Ratzko.
Thank you, Judge.
Just leave it on and just go ahead. There you go. All right, back to Mr. Rembert. And you'll do the step in order to adjourn, Mr. Malaro, on Mr. Ratzko.
Yeah,
Ratzko.
yeah, I'll do that.
Ms. Meir, can you sign your name with permission?
Yes.
All right, so, Mr. Rember, in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Milton Trey Rember, file number 22-21191FH. Mr. Malaro, have you now received a copy of the felony information?
I have, Your Honor.
Do you waive the reading of the felony information?
Your Honor, we acknowledge receipt of the felony information as to counts 1, 2, and 3. Waive its reading in open court, waive any defects at the time and place of service. Mr. Rember would stay in mute, ask that a not guilty plea be entered. We also would acknowledge receipt of the witness list and ask to be heard on bond.
Honor a plea of not guilty on behalf of Mr. Rember. And Mr. Rember is charged. So Ms. Muir, I don't have this information, but was there an impairment or death? Ms. Muir, did you say something? Because we can't hear you.
I said, I believe it was a serious injury.
Wait.
I'm sorry.
Oh, you believe it was a serious injury?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, so, all right, Miss, in with regard to your request for a PR bond, Mr. Malone?
So Your Honor, I'm going off of Mr. Murphy's notes. It looks like, according to Mr. Murphy's notes, Mr. Rember was sentenced. I don't know which court, must be, I'm presuming the circuit court, to on December 8th to under the Holmes Youthful Trainee Act. And so there'd be a high likelihood that Mr. Rembert's going to be in compliance. He's certainly on probation. The court's going to know where he is at all times. And he has a high incentive to make sure he appears on these matters so that the HIDA status does not get put in jeopardy. So we would ask that the court consider a PR bond with whatever conditions the court feels is appropriate, which would probably mirror his probation.
Miss Muir? We can't hear you. For some reason, your microphone's not picking up.
Is that any better?
It sounds like you're in a tin can really far away.
Maybe I should leave and then log back in.
Okay. All right, Miss Muir?
Is that any better?
Yes.
Okay. Judge, I guess that's kind of the issue in this case is he was sentenced to height of probation and then a week later this happened. And obviously there was a car accident in this case or a car crash in this case, but it was also the allegations include that he took his mom's car without permission, but he was also found with a number of narcotics in the car, pills, that type of thing. In the vehicle. And again, it was 1 week after he was sentenced to a height of probation. And as of this time, we have not made a formal offer to have this run concurrent with HIDA. And actually on traffic offenses, you can't get HIDA on. So, I mean, obviously it's under consideration by our office as to what we're going to offer, but at this time, I don't think a PR at all is appropriate. I don't know what the bond is set at right now to say whether that's appropriate or not, but I certainly don't think a PR would be appropriate.
Well, Judge, I would just say that according to the information, the date of this offense is September 18th of 2022, which predates him being placed on probation. So I don't, this isn't something that
When was he sentenced?
December 8th.
And what was the incident date on that file?
On the December 8th case,
Yeah.
22, August 20th.
So Ms. Muir, it looks like the two incident dates were,
Pretty close together. Sorry, I was going off.
I still can't. Oh, go ahead now, Ms. Muir.
No, you're right. I was going off of the note in the file. That's when it was charged versus when it happened.
So the two files, Judge, it looks like they're within a month.
Yeah,
And I don't know the
Okay.
first file, how it worked its way through the system. I'm not familiar with Mr. Rembert.
I have his bond at 5,000 on each count. Does that sound about right? All right, who are you on probation with, Mr. Rembert?
I forgot his name.
Tom Moore,
Tom Moore.
Yeah, Tom Moore.
Mr. Moore, yes.
All right, Miss Walsh, are you able to verify whether or not he's ever reported? No, he's been in jail probably, hasn't he?
Yes, he is, correct. He's been in jail.
Okay, all right, so Mr. Rembert, here's the deal. So, Ms. Meir, we did verify the incident dates were within a month of each other before he entered a plea.
Yes.
I always hate when these don't catch up with each other. All right, so Mr. Rembert, I'm gonna release you on a PR bond. All right? Is Mr. Moore here today, Ms. Walsh?
No, he will need to report to Mr. Moore on Tuesday for sure, before 11.
But Ms.